Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvet Locks, coming back to you with another awesome weight loss video for you today. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make an easy lemon carrot weight loss drink, and you will see results within 14 days of drinking this. You're going to drink this twice a day. It's in the morning, 20 minutes before breakfast, as well as before bedtime. So let me show you the simple ingredients that you're going to need. Now we're going to start off also needing our personal size blender. Okay, so if you have a little blender cup, that is perfect. We're also going to be working with 1 full lemon, about 2 inches of our ginger root, and 1 full carrot. Okay, we're also going to be using as well a cup of water. So what I'm going to start off is with my lemon. I already started peeling off the skin. I'm just going to continue peeling the peel off. Okay, then we're going to cut it into pieces. Pop that into your blender cup. Okay, same thing we're going to do with our ginger. Now this is about 2 inches of ginger root, and yeah, pop that into your cup. We're going to do the same thing with our carrot. Make sure that you scrape the skin off of it. And we're going to cut that into pieces. Oops. Cut that into small pieces. Okay, and lastly, we're going to take 1 cup of water and add that into our cup. Now we're going to take our blender lid and we're going to blend this up. Next, we're going to get a bowl and a strainer, and we're going to pour our carrot juice inside of there. Okay, and now we're just going to mix this around and separate the pulp from the juice. Now you can also use a cheesecloth if you desire to. Okay. And next we're just going to carefully pour that into a bowl, into a cup. And we have some tasty carrot juice, okay? Now this is an awesome way to really shrink your stomach. Like I said, you drink this twice a day. You drink it in the morning on an empty stomach, 20 minutes before breakfast, and then again before bedtime. This is refreshing and it's easy to make. And in 14 days, you're going to see some results in your body. This is also something you can continue drinking even after the 14 days to stay on your weight loss journey, okay? So thank you so much for joining me on this wonderful video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Share these videos with your friends and family who are also on a weight loss journey. Check down below for these wonderful items like your personal size NutriBullet blender, your full size NutriBullet blender, as well as the metal straws and more wonderful other items down there, okay? Also check down below my eBay store where you will get lots of herbs and spices that's going to help you on your weight loss journey. It's going to help to shrink and burn weight in your body. It's also going to help to raise your metabolism as well as detox your body. I have lots of things down there to help detox your body so you can lose that weight, okay? I also have wonderful honeys that is good for male as well as female, boosting your testosterone level and your libido and help you along in your play, okay? Also check my other channel, Velvet Vlogs, where you will see hair care, skincare videos, family challenges, fashion hauls, and vlogs. Alright? So you guys, until the next wonderful video, don't forget your big sis and auntie loves you, and I will see you again in the next video. Welcome YouTube family, this is the Velvet Locks introducing to you my new channel, and this channel is called Velvet Vlogs. On this channel you will see hair videos, skincare videos, as well as family vlogs, okay? So check it out, go down below, click those links, and subscribe as well as turn on your notification bell, and I will see you there.